Alright, we got this 148 12070. I think that's a model 1207 on the bench here. First things first, it is very stiff, so let's get the top open here. There is a set screw here for, I think this is the light switch, but I haven't plugged it in to try anything yet. So but that has to come off, and now that that was removed, we can take this screw out of the top, and this is either rusted or was over tightened. It is very stiff. Yep, as I suspected, there's no... I had looked to see if there were oil spots in the top of this, and there are no oil holes in these two screws, so... The cap comes off. The bobbin winder is on the inside of this cap, and it's pretty full of old filth here, so I'll have to clean that, and yeah, this is going to need just a good wash, I think. Probably take this and scrub it in the sink. But yeah, everything in here is just, you can see how all this oil is brown, and I don't know if this is oiled with like motor oil or something. This is very dark oil for sewing machine oil, so but we'll... Oh yeah, and this arm is completely filthy. I'm gonna have to tear this apart and try to clean it better, because this is just too much goo all over this. So I'm gonna see here. Oh, this screwdriver isn't narrow enough. I'm gonna have to go get my narrower screwdrivers, because this set screw here should let this entire tensioner off, and I'm gonna have to get this tensioner apart because it is all full of filth. I'm gonna guess this home was from a very heavy smoker, because this is all like so much brown, and there's like not just regular lint and stuff. It looks like animal hair worked up in here. You can see big wads of fuzz all up in here. So I'm gonna have to do some pretty thorough work on this. Trying to figure out, but we'll start by getting our foot out of the way. And this is stiff, but it does turn, so I'm gonna gently turn that. Oh yeah, the needle clamp is all seized. Oh yeah, the needle even feels sticky, so this machine was probably from a heavy smoking home, and it's got a lot of oil in it, so I'm gonna have to do some serious just scrubbing of this machine to get it cleaned, get all the goo cleaned off of it so it might move more under its own power. But we'll get the oh, and it doesn't have a bobbin case in it, so I didn't get anything else with this. Oh man, yeah, there's so much filth. This hook race is just filled with filth. Yeah. This machine is going to have to get thoroughly torn apart and scrubbed out. There's just pads of felt under there. This machine was used hard. Looks like it came from the home of a heavy smoker, and it's definitely going to need, and there's lots of pet hair on it too, so. Alright, well, I'm going to go make a plan to just wash this all off. I've got simple green degreaser, and I'm probably gonna just start in a tub with simple green and a toothbrush and scrubbing whatever I can out of this. Alright, part of cleaning this, I'm going to pop the drive belt off, and that means is this clutch. I think that, well, this is going to be interesting. This seems to have been stripped out at some point. Well, that's exciting, because I'm trying to loosen this and it's not coming out. And then I can't get this to unscrew either. Well, I guess I'm gonna see about getting this screw out, making a plan for that, and then I'm gonna have to get a pair of pliers and a rag to try and get this to come loose, because I definitely need to get this hand wheel off and loosen so that you can unclutch it to wind bobbins.